Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Today we will learn definition of arithmetic progression, terms in the arithmetic progression, type of arithmetic progression and practice set 3.1 example number 1. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to a preceding term except the first term. This fixed number is called common difference of the AP. Common difference will be positive, negative or 0. If the first term of AP is A and common difference is D, then the first term is nothing but A. To find the second term, we have to add common difference in the first term. Therefore, T2 is equal to first term T1 plus common difference D. But T1 is nothing but A. Therefore, A plus D. Therefore, second terms in terms of A and D is nothing but T2 is equal to A plus D. Third term T3 is equal to, we have to add common difference in the second term. That means T2 plus D. What is the value of T2? A plus D plus common difference D. Here the addition of D is 2 times. Therefore D plus D is nothing but how much? 2D. Therefore A plus D plus D is nothing but 2D. Therefore T3 is equal to how much? A plus 2D. To get fourth term, that means T4, we have to add common difference in the third term, that means T3 plus D. What is the value of T3 in terms of A and D? T3 is equal to how much? A plus 2D and D at it is. Again 2D plus D. How much? 2D plus D is nothing but 3D. Therefore A plus 3D. In this way, we will continue up to so on. Then we get nth term Tn is equal to, we have to add common difference in its preceding term. Its preceding term is nothing but T of n minus 1 plus common difference D. T of n minus 1 is nothing but A plus n minus 2 into D plus D at it is. If we take D is common between these two terms, therefore n minus 2 plus 1 into D for these two terms. इथे काय केलं लक्षात घ्या, या दोन टर्म मध्ये D हा कॉमन आहे. मग पहिल्याचा कोएफिशिएंट n-2 प्लस दुसऱ्याचा कोएफिशिएंट नाही म्हणजे किती येणार आहे 1, ते इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. -2 plus 1 is nothing but n-1 and D at it is. Therefore A plus into bracket n-1 into D. Therefore nth term of AP is nothing but A plus n-1 into D. In an AP, if the first term is A and common difference is D, then the terms in the sequence are, the first term is A, second term is A plus D, comma, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, so on, and the term is nothing but A plus into bracket n-1 into D. Type of arithmetic progression. The first type is finite AP. The arithmetic progression having finite number of terms is called a finite AP. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20. In this AP there are finite terms. Therefore, this AP is finite AP. Infinite AP. The arithmetic progression having infinite number of terms is called infinite AP. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so on. In this sequence, infinite number of terms. Therefore, this AP is called infinite AP. Practice set 3.1. Which of the following sequence are AP? If they are arithmetic progression, find the common difference. First example, 2, 4, 6, 8. Tell me, when the given sequence is an arithmetic progression, if the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, then we say that the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Therefore, we have to find out here difference between two consecutive terms. Tell me here, first term, that means T1 is equal to how much? 2. Second term T2, how much here? 4. Third term means T3, how much? 6. Fourth term, that means T4, how much? 8. Difference between the term and its preceding term, therefore T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. Here T2 is how much? 4. Minus sign it is T1 is equal to how much? 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Now we take difference between third and second term. Therefore T3 minus T2. Tell me T3 is equal to how much? 6. And T2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2 again. Now fourth term minus third term, that means T4 minus T3 is equal to T4 is equal to how much? 8 minus T3 is equal to how much? 6. 8 minus 6 is nothing but how much? 2. From 1, 2 and 3, what you observe? The difference between consecutive terms is equal to 2. That means constant. That means from 1, 2 and 3, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to 2. And this 2 is constant. इथे डिफरन्स बिटवीन कॉन्जिक्युटिव्ह टर्म मध्ये बदल झालाय का? नाहीये. तो 2 2 2 हा सारखा आलेला आहे, म्हणजे बदल झाला नाही, म्हणून इथे आपण कॉन्स्टंट घेतलेला आहे. That means the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP and common difference is D equal to 2. Second example, negative 10, negative 6, negative 2, comma 2, so on. Here, T1 first term is equal to how much? Negative 10. T2 is nothing but second term. Tell me second term is negative 6. T3 means third term. Here third term is negative 2 and fourth term is 2. Now to find the difference between two consecutive terms, therefore T2 minus T1. T2 is nothing but negative 6 minus at it is into bracket. We use here bracket because the first term is negative 10. Therefore into bracket first term is T1 is nothing but negative 10. This minus 6 at it is, now minus into minus becomes as plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10, that means 6 and 10 have different sign. Therefore we have to take subtraction between these two terms. Here 10 is greater than 6, therefore give the sign of 10 and subtract 6 from 10. 10 minus 6 is nothing but how much? 4. Now third term minus second term, that means T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is nothing but negative 2 minus into bracket, second term is negative 6. Now minus 2 at it is, minus into minus becomes as plus 6. Again minus 2 plus 6, that means these two numbers have opposite sign. We know that if two numbers have opposite sign, then we have to take subtraction between these two terms. Here 6 is greater than 2, therefore give the sign of 6. 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. Now T4 minus T3. Here T4 is equal to how much? 2 minus into bracket T3 is nothing but negative 2 minus into minus how much? Plus. Therefore 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. From 1, 2 and 3. Here its RH is same, therefore LH is also same. That means difference between first two term, that means T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3, and this difference is equal to 4, and this difference between two consecutive terms does not change, that means constant. Therefore difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore given sequence is an AP and common difference D is equal to how much? 4. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share this video and like this video. Thank you.